The function is f of x equals 3 times the quantity x plus 1 squared minus 2. So we're going to do, again, inside out. You always want to do your k last.
Should we go to the left one?
Yep, so the x plus 1 says left 1. Then someone else. Do that one last, that's your k. So let's apply the a now. What are we multiplying the function by? 3. 3 is bigger than 1, so we're going to stretch it. When your a is bigger than 1, we'll vertically stretch. Stretch vertically by a factor of 3. Good. And what's the last one? Down 2. Everyone ready? Yep. So we're going to take the normal graph. Which is y equals x squared. We're going to move it left 1. It's going to go on Jenny Craig for a little while. So we're going to stretch it by 3, so it's going to become thinner. I forgot to label the previous one.
So when we stretch it, should it always end up in just one quadrant?
Not necessarily. The thing is, I'm not going to get out a marker and say, you only stretched it by a factor of 2.9. You know, as long as it looks thinner. Sorry about the placement there.
So you call that stretching, and to me it looks like it's compressed.
Well, that's the thing. A vertical stretch is a horizontal compression. So we're not talking about along the y-axis. We're talking, when we say vertical, we're talking about from the x-axis. So if you took the graph and stretched it this way, it would make it thinner. Is that okay? And now we're going to move down to, I'm going to switch to a thinner marker. So we moved left 1, we made it thinner, now we're going to move down to, oh wait, that's supposed to go right here, isn't it? All right, smiley face. All right, so we're going to take that blue graph and move it down to, so it's going to be right there. So as far as how thin it is, don't care. As long as it looks thinner.
So what's the thought behind doing the K last?
Because technically, if you do the K previously, before the stretching, like if I went down 2, that would make the new y coordinate -2. But then by doing the stretch, you're multiplying the y coordinates by 3. So you're no longer at -2, you're at -6. And that's not where you mean to be. So there is an order of operations going on here. Is that okay? All right. So looking at this guy, the vertex is -1, -2. And we can get that from right here because h is -1. K is -2. Remember, general form is x minus h. So we really have x minus -1.
So can you always read h like that, or is there
If it's in this format, yeah, you can always read it right from the function.